Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this beautiful marble bundt cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Add some vanilla extract to a bowl of butter, oil and sugar, and then whisk this together until it's light, creamy in color and thick like this. Then start adding your eggs one at a time and whisk well between each egg added. Repeat the process until you've used up all the eggs. Add the flour to the bowl and fold it in with a spatula until it's smooth. Put half the mixture into a separate bowl and add in some cocoa powder to it, and then mix this until it's smooth. Get your prepared bundt tin. Start putting the batter in the tin, alternating between the colors, and when you finish doing this, get a toothpick and use it to swirl the colors together. Bake in the oven for about 45 minutes until it's firm to the touch. Leave it in the cake tin for about 10 minutes and then use a cooling rack to flip the cake over onto the cooling rack. And I'm going to lift off the cake tin. You can see it comes out nice and clean and it's all baked through. Leave this to cool completely. When it's cooled completely, I'm going to put it on a serving plate and then dust some icing sugar on top. And then I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. You can see it's nice and baked through. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.